Today we're going to show you how to install cotton reel bushes, lower control arm bushes for a four-wheel drive control arm. You'll need booker rod or continuous threaded rod, some washers, grease to grease the leading edge of the bush to install it. Once you've got enough grease on it, fit the bush up to the control arm. Using the continuous rod, booker rod, you'll be able to pull the bush into place without damaging it. Once the bush has started to go in, it will kick over to one side. Don't worry about it, just keep going. It will follow through. Okay, this is step 2. You go to your press, set it all up so that you can install the spacers to press on. Preload the bush. Make sure that just be careful that the bush isn't going to slip. And start pressing. It may kick over a little bit, but it will straighten up. As you can see, it goes down all the way till it's flush. When you release, the bush will actually grow and come out the other end. Once the bushes have been installed, lubricate your crush tubes, add the washers, install the arms into the vehicle, and thanks for watching.